Hey everyone, welcome to episode 54. On today's episode, we are going to assemble your brand new Class 20 sewing machine from Leather Machine Company. Now, these instructions are from after you've received your machine, taken it off the pallet, and unboxed everything. So, let's take a look at how to assemble your Class 20 sewing machine. Your machine will come with a bag of accessories, a container of sewing machine oil, a machine belt, screwdrivers, and a bag of sewing needles, bobbins, nippers, and the rest pin. Then there are two hinges, the knee lifter pin, the thread stand, and finally the LED light. The table with the attached wheel casters will have a width of 47.5 inches, a height of 32.5 inches, and a depth of 20 inches. On the tabletop, there are a few things to point out. There are two hinge mortise and the pin slot. On the back of the table, there are three holes, one for the rest pin, the LED light, and the thread stand. Carefully lift your machine and place it on the table. You want to insert the knee lift pin into the pin slot. This is important because this allows the knee lift to operate properly. Next, the two hinges fit into place adequately and pivot as designed, but they need to be attached to the machine before installing. There are two holes on the back of the machine head. This is where the hinge posts slide into place. When looking at the hinges, notice that there's a flat top and a grooved bottom. When inserting them into the machine, make sure that the flat top is facing up for easy installation of the machine head to the tabletop. The rest pin slides into place and will hold the machine up for easy access to the oil pan. Inside the oil pan, you'll notice an H and an L marking. This is your high and low oil indicator, and you want to fill the oil up to halfway between the H and the L. Stand the machine upright and it's time to add the belt. Attach the belt to the grooved hand wheel and insert it through the table hole. The belt will have a very tight fit over the speed reducer. So if you cannot put the belt on with your hands, here's the alternative method. Loosen the 14mm nut on the side. Use a rubber mallet and push the speed reducer upwards. Now rotate the belt onto the speed reducer. Use a heavy-duty rod or pipe to wedge the speed reducer back downward and put pressure tension back onto the belt. Check the belt for proper tension by squeezing the belt on both sides, and it will have half an inch of movement. To install the LED light, insert the cable and stand into the proper table hole with a washer on top, and tighten down the light with a washer and nut on the bottom. You want to run the cable neatly through the mounted cables for clean cable management. Then grab the plug and insert the cable and lay it completely flat before sliding the plug cap into place. there is a plug outlet for this light behind the on and off switch. The thread stand has a larger mounting hole and use a washer on top. For the bottom, use a large washer and then the locking washer before tightening down. Once the thread stand is mounted, the assembly is complete.
All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That does help this channel grow, and more content is coming your way. So thank you again for watching. Take care, and good luck on your future projects. Bye.